Hello all dear friends, welcome to the Binary Wins channel. I'll reward you by teaching a simple but profitable trading strategy for beginner and professional traders. First, I will explain the strategy to you and then I will do a few trades with it so that you can learn the tips of the strategy and the method of trading with it well. Be sure to watch the video until the end. Okay dear ones, to trade with this strategy we need two indicators. The first indicator is the fractal chaos band indicator. Dear ones, unfortunately this indicator does not exist in the Quotex broker. And if you intend to trade with this strategy in the Quotex broker, you must get signals in the main market, in TradingView or MetaTrader and trade in Quotex. Soon I will introduce you to various signaling indicators in MetaTrader and TradingView. But the second indicator we need is the stochastic oscillator indicator. I'll also add it to the chart and we will not make any changes to the settings of these two indicators. This strategy, because it is used in time frames less than and below 1 minute and gives you a large number of signals, can also be a suitable strategy for participating in broker tournaments. The time frame of the candles in this strategy is fixed at 15 seconds and the trading time is fixed at 30 seconds. Here we choose S30. But first, I will explain to you an important principle and rule in this strategy. Pay attention dear ones. First, as always, to trade with this strategy, we must look for positions in the direction of the trend. If you look, the fractal indicator is seen in some areas as a flat and horizontal line. The places where the fractal has turned into a flat line are considered as levels. Look, these flat lines are actually support and resistance that the fractal has found for us. In this strategy, we are looking for a trade in the direction of the trend. If the levels are crossed, that is, if our trend is bearish, we are looking for a cross on the support levels. And if our trend is bullish, we are looking for a cross on the resistance levels. But now, how do we trade with this strategy? For sell signals, if we have a downtrend, when the 50% red candle body crosses the fractal support, and the stochastic indicator also touches the oversold area or is below the oversold area, we can enter a sell trade in 30 seconds. For buy positions, if our trend is an uptrend, when 50% of the green candle body crosses the fractal resistance level and the stochastic crosses or touches the overbought area upwards, we can enter a buy trade in 30 seconds. The rules of the strategy are very simple and precise. It just requires precision and practice. Now look here. The green candle has crossed the level upwards, but our trend is bearish, so we cannot enter the trade here. See, the next candle is turning into a red candle. Okay dears, I will try to find some positions and make some trades. Please look at the trades carefully and pause the video for each position and explain the reasons for yourself. Well, here we have missed the opportunity to trade. But if you look, our trend is bearish. And after the red candle crossed the level and the stochastic indicator was also in the oversold range, we could have entered a lower position here and the trade would have closed in profit. Look, we have an upward trend. The green candle crossed the fractal level, and you can see that the stochastic also gave us a signal. But because when I found the position and clicked on different currency pairs, I also clicked on non-OTC currency pairs, the trade time automatically changed to 1 minute. So be careful that for a trade with a time of 30 seconds and a total trade in a time of less than 1 minute, you should only trade in the OTC market. If you want to use this strategy in the main market, your trading time should be 1 minute and your candle time should be 30 seconds. So I will change my trading time again to 30 seconds and look for positions only in OTC currency pairs. In this position, I entered the trade a little late. In fact, we should have entered a higher trade here on this candle. It's okay, we can easily compensate for this trade in the next position. If you look, I entered 2 higher trades to compensate for the previous position. Our trend is an uptrend. The green candle has crossed the level and the stochastic has crossed the saturation zone upwards. We will wait for the positions to be closed. Here our trend is bearish. It would have been better if I had entered the trade after this candle closed. Okay, dears, these are the trades we made, and if you look carefully, out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11 trades, we only lost 2. That means we had about 87% win rate. A very good result for a trading strategy. My dears, don't forget that this trading strategy may seem simple at first glance, but like all other trading patterns and strategies, it requires a lot of practice and trades on a demo account so that you can master the rules and tips of this strategy well, and with experience, recognize in which positions you can get better results. But don't forget that in addition to practicing the tips of candlestick psychology, which I have already taught you in various videos, can help you find more correct and accurate positions. I always said that financial markets, especially the binary options market, are not games and entertainment. You have to take it seriously, you have to value your capital and your time and try to increase your experience and skills in this market over time with planning and practice. Nothing comes easy, but it is never impossible. If you liked the video, be sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and send the channel link to those who are interested in working in this market. To register with the Pocket Option broker, use the registration link below the video and receive a 50 to 100% bonus to start practicing and trading. Take care of yourself until the next video. Bye.